So for those who's asking about my piggy bed, so this is made of fleece, and then I put what do you call this, the stuff I took from a quilt. I think it's wadding or like filler, something like that. So I measure the size of this cage, so just enough to cover the tray under. So if I show you, I got a tray under there, which is, don't know if you can see, that's a tray. So because they usually pee where is the darker part of the cage, so this tray helps me to change it easily, so I don't have to change the whole bed, the whole cage, you know. So before I've been using only fleece under, but I just found out that they pee a lot and then the bed gets saturated so quickly. So under that wood shaving, I have a fleece, so when they run around they don't just slip, because the cage, you know, is made of plastic and they slip if they run around. So yeah, back to this bed. So both sides I tied it, so even if they jump, it has a, you know, it is strong and sturdy. So I also tied on the other side of the cage, and then this additional like tunnel here, which I put a hole so they can just run around. It's optional if you don't want to have it, it's okay, it's fine. I just made a rectangle shape and then sew it in between this bed, and all corners has tie. So that one is also adding a support for the bedding. So I got both corners, and on the other corner also over there. And then this is an extra like play, you know, tunnel for them, because they like running around. So I find this really good, because if you have the hanging bed, if they want to rest, they can just rest on top of it, and at the same time the other piggies can run around. They got a big space down the bottom to run around. So I hope that will help. So, and I got additional LED light if, you know, if I want to see my piggies, I can just turn it off and on. Okay, I hope you liked the cage, and I hope you understand and whatever I explained makes sense to everyone. And I forgot this thing. They like this hanging thing here, you know, every time they touch their face they liked it. So if there's any comments or any suggestions, feel free to comment me, and I would more appreciate. Thank you so much, and happy piggy, happy wiggies.